Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix my Snapchat flash. If you're having trouble with fixing your Snapchat's flash, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it, starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start. Go ahead and open your Snapchat, and then if dark and or the lighting is not working and you want to make it more brighter, like the quickest fix could also be brightening your brightness till the full level. And then if this also still does not help, go ahead and on the top right of your phone you'll see the options like reversing and this second option right here. So click on this second option right here, and then you can easily click a photo with flash. So this will help you capture any moment a bit more better in the night or any way you want. I hope this video helped you to fix your flash on Snapchat. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.